Hey lifers, Break It Billy coming to you from the garage again. And I got a special box from our friends over at Armorlite. They sent a cool hat too. No, I've had this hat. But amazing flooring systems for a pretty badass Jeep and toughest floor on the market for the toughest Jeep out on the trails. Let's do it. Here we go. So as you know, Reaper is a 1999 Jeep Wrangler, and Armorlite just came out with the TJ flooring system, so they had to hook up Reaper with an amazing flooring system. So toughest floor on the trail is going in one of the toughest Jeeps. Obviously, as you know, we are going to have to do some trimming around the roll bars and everything else. We're going to clean it up a little bit down there and make sure everything fits right. But right now, I'm going to check this floor out. Here we go. Quick update. It's wrestling it in there. Yeah, let's put it that way. No, it's just not easy. Yeah, not gonna lie. They said it wasn't gonna be easy. 2 to 4 hours. More like 2 to 4 days. Well, guys, that is a wrap, and it was not that bad of an install, I'm going to be honest with you. I did have to wrestle the driver and the passenger side a little bit, but that is just merely because I do not have removable seats. I have a lot of roll cage, and basically in the instructions it says to remove all your seats and take everything out. So I couldn't do that, but it still went in. Looks awesome, and I can't wait to use it out on the trails this weekend. So, you're going to see this video probably when I'm out on the trails, and I'll be testing it out, putting it to the absolute toughest test out on the trails. Here's some more shots of what it looks like installed, and I can't wait to actually use it and abuse it. They told me put it through the Break It Billy challenge, so we're going to. Let's see how it looks in maybe 6 months, give it or take. Definitely over the summer. We're gonna put it to its test. Key things that I am looking for that I noticed in my JK. We have the install video of my JK. It's in the show notes below, so make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Also, go check out that other video. Great install on the JK versions. We're also working on a complete install on the TJ version. So that's going to be a great help to anybody out there looking for the tips and tricks of the TJ install. This does not whatsoever constitute for a TJ install. Cannot say that. I have seriously modified this interior to fit the roll cage. So, and then also had to seriously modify the Armorlite to fit the roll cage as well. Roll cage is very important, keeps me safe out on the trail. So Huge shout out to Armorlite. Cannot thank them enough. Well, everybody, if you are looking to get your own Armorlite system, use Jeep Life Podcast 10 at checkout, and you're going to get 10% off of your complete system at goarmorlite.com. And make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. And if you're at any of the shows and you see the Armorlite guys, tell them Break It Billy sent you and the Jeep Life Podcast. Say hi to them for us, and keep on Jeeping on. Big Jeep wave to you, and see you guys out on the trails.